अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ भोली वॉज इन स्कूल। वो अब स्कूल में थी। द लेडी टीचर शी वॉज सेइंग समथिंग टू द गर्ल्स बट भोली कुड अंडरस्टैंड नथिंग. Actually, she was lost in her own world. She looked at the pictures on the wall, the colors of the pictures that fascinated her, that attracted her. The horse that she saw on the picture reminded her the horse on which the Tahsildar had come to visit their village. The black goat, it reminded her the goat of their neighbor. The parrot, the green parrot, it was the same parrots that she had seen in the mango field. The cow, it was just like their Lakshmi. And she was lost in her own world. She did not listen what her teacher is saying to the girls. When but Bholi suddenly noticed that the teacher, she was beside her, smiling at her, and she asked Boli, "What is your name?" Boli, as you know, she only stammered and was not able to said anything, was not able to talk in a meaningful way. What did the whole class? They smiled, they laughed at her, and Bholi, she began to cry. She began to cry as she thought that her world, uh, it has been now, it has that her world, it has been shattered, as the children in the class, they laughed at her. Suddenly the school bell, it rang. All the students, they ran hurriedly from the classroom, but Bholi didn't dare to leave the classroom. She was still sobbing. Bholi, उसकी टीचर बोलती है, it was very soft and soothing voice. It touched the heart of the little creature. Bholi, her teacher said, get up, Bholi. Bholi got up. Now tell me your name. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? In such a soft and soothing voice. But uh, but for the sake of her teacher, she decided that she should make an effort, and she began to stammer. Po, po. Well done, well done. Her teacher encouraged her. Come on, now tell me your full name. Bholi. At last, she was able, and she was able to say it. And she now felt relieved, that as if she got, as if it was her achievement, it was her great achievement, it was her great success. Well done. Her teacher patted her affectionately. उसके उसको सराहती है. भोली, पुट द फियर आउट ऑफ योर हार्ट. अपने दिल और दिमाग से ये जो डर है, इसको पुट आउट, इसको बाहर निकालो. एंड यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक लाइक एवरी वन एल्स. जैसे सब हम लोग बात करते हैं, तुम वैसे ही बात करना शुरू हो जाओगे. लेकिन वॉट इज़ नीडेड, यू हैव टू पुट आउट योर फेयर. ना भोली अपनी टीचर की तरफ देखती है कि रियली क्या ऐसा हो सकता है. यस यस, बट देयर इज़ वन कंडीशन, यू हैव टू कम टू स्कूल एवरी डे. एंड भोली नॉटेड. भोली कहती है, हाँ, मैं रोज़ रोज़ स्कूल आऊँगी. And her teacher assured her that in 1 month you will be able to read any book. I will give you some books. You will be able to read these books, and in within no time you will be the more learned person in the village. आप तुमसे पढ़ा लिखा और कोई भी गाँव में नहीं होगा. एंड देन नो वन विल एवर बी एबल टू लॉफ एट यू. किसी की भी इतनी जरूरत ना होगी, फिर वो तुम पर हंसेगा. पीपल विल लिसन टू यू विद रिस्पेक्ट, and you will be able to speak without a slightest stammer. Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. Now years passed. The village, it has now turned into a town. The little primary school, it has become now a high school. Now there was a cinema. There was a cotton ginning mill. The main There was now the mail train began to stop at the railway station. So a lot of changes have taken place in the village. रामलाल वन नाइट रामलाल अपनी वाइफ से बात करता अपनी बीवी से बात करता है, शैल आई एक्सेप्ट बिशम्बर्स प्रपोजल, क्या मैं बिशम्बर के प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट करूं? Certainly, his wife said, Pearlie will be lucky to get such a well to do bridegroom. Well to do means a rich bridegroom. हाँ, भोली के लिए what Polly needed. She is so lucky that she will get naughty to such a bridegroom. A big bridegroom. Bishambar has his own big shop. He has his own house, and he has several thousand money in the bank. Moreover, there is one more point that he is not asking any dowry. So I think Boli is very lucky in this aspect. In this, in the next lecture, we will discuss the next more events. Till then, goodbye.